Hi, I'm John from Caravan Connection. I'm going to show you how your caravan works. So this here is your south containment for your grey water. Okay. So these clip on, clip off, pull them out, and you've got a wee bung that you put in there like that. So under the caravan, you plug it into there, tap showing that it's on, and that's turned off, okay? So when you turn it off, ready to travel, take that off, put your wee bung in, and you're all good to go. This cupboard here, just push that goes in under the bed, which you got a cover for the caravan there, and you have a spare wheel, okay? Then we go down here, grab the key. This is your battery box, and that's where you plug in your power, okay? And it's got the wee bit so the power cord goes out. This one here is for your water, so pull that back there. The water's got a wee filter on the end, okay? So you just put that in your barrel, water, and then plug it in, and then you're all good to go. You're going to have water, okay? This here is for the vent for your hot water and gas heating, okay? And in the front box you've got your gas bottle, so you turn that on and then you're all good to go. You've got to remember to turn that off when you're travelling, because you can't have it on when you travel, okay? And there goes your power cord and your leg winder, okay? And then we go to the back here. This is your cassette. So your cassette's there, so what you do is you just lift up that wee orange bit and pull it out, which is not coming out, so I'm guessing the toilet flap is open. Just go check that. This is where you fill up for your flush. So you pour your water in there, and you put your pink stuff in there, and then your toilet's all good to flush. I'll just go check the toilet now. Right. I'll go straight into the bathroom. Yep, so the flap's open, so that's why your cassette wouldn't come out. Okay, so you close your flap. Well, I'm here, so this is a flush, so you push that button and the water will come out and flush around. Okay, so your flap's open there and closed, okay, and the wee handle for there is just under there. Okay, so we'll go back inside and I'll show you. Because the flap was open, this won't come out, so now it comes out, okay? Just like that. Right. Back in the caravan. Up here, this button here, that's your main one, so you push that and it will turn your 12-volt system on. And we've got the water in the barrel with your pump, so you can turn the pump on and then you'll have hot water. Well, water going to your taps. This one here, just showing the level. So at the moment it's sitting on 14. That's because we're plugged into power. So you'll see that there, it's saying plugged into power. Normally it will sit between 12 and 13. Once it starts getting to 11.5, you want to plug it in and charge it, because 10, your battery will be flat, okay? And then we go here to your trimmer system. So if you want, this one here is your heating. That's the setting that, so we'll go heating. So at the moment it's set at 16. If you want to change it, you just push the arrow up or down and then push set. Okay, and you see down there that it's saying that it's temperature's 17. but your heater's not going to work because you look at the room temperature is 18. So you've got to check on that, make sure it's that one there is higher than that one, or else your heater won't work. Okay, then we go to the next one. So this one's got a few different powers. So the top one there, you'll see you got 240 4A, 230 8A. Okay, those ones are summer mode. Then you've got gas mode, and these two at the bottom are same with that, but it's got gas as well. So that will mean in winter time you can use power and gas at the same time, but just heats everything up quicker. Okay, this one here is for your hot water. So you push that one and you'll go down to water 60, push the button, and you're good to go. Okay, so in under here, under your seat, this one here, so under here you got your 230 volt fuses. Okay, and then you got your 12 volt fuses. So they're all got numbers, you'll see all numbers beside them. So you go to the store here, pull it down, and there goes the numbers that go with the fuses. Okay, this one here is your hot water and heating on power. So you'll see that it's on. If you turn that off, you won't be able to use power, hot water and heating on there. So they've both got to be turned on. So you leave that one on. This one here is your battery charger. You leave that one on too, because when you plug in the power, it's going to charge your battery up. You do have a solar panel as well. Okay, so if you're somebody like Central Otago and it's real hot days, I'd turn this charger off, because your solar panel will be keeping your battery topped up. Okay, and then under here you'll see that wee yellow toggle there. So that one there, in winter time you lift that up and it'll drain all the water out of your hot water cylinder and your pipes, and that just stops it from freezing. So once you emptied it all out, put it back down. So when you go to fill up again, you'll put your pump in the in your barrel of water, put it into the caravan. As soon as you turn the switch on up there, it's going to automatically fill up your pump, your hot water system. Okay, and then with that, you just, once that's going, you just go to your tap, just turn it around to hot water and just slowly turn it on, and it'll get all the air bubbles out. Okay, so at the moment it's full, so it's going good. Okay, you get good water pressure. So this is your, for your solar panel, saying that it's plugged in and it's topping up your battery. Okay, it won't charge your battery, it will just top your battery up. It'll just keep you going. Okay, so the microwave and the plugs, they only work on 240 volt. Okay, so they only work when you're plugged into power. They won't work if you're off grid. Okay, then we come down to your fridge. So at the moment you can see that it's turned on. This button here, push that, and it's telling you we're on gas and it's cold temperature. Okay, so if you want to change it, so you just hold that button in there till it flashes, and then you use your arrows. So that's power. It does have a battery, but that doesn't work unless you've got it hooked up to your car. Okay, so we'll go back to gas, push the button again. Temperature, you can do your temperature up and down, put it back up, push the button again, and it'll just stay like that. So when you go to turn it off, you make sure you turn it off when you're traveling, because your fridge will work when you turn your 12 volt off. Okay, so you've got to make sure you turn this off before you travel. So when you turn it off, it'll automatically, when you turn it back on, it'll automatically come back on to gas if you had it on gas. If you had it on power, it will automatically go to power. Okay, Then we're over to your gas stove. So this has got a clicker. Okay, so what you do is you push and turn your knob, push the clicker down, and then you got gas. Okay. And it's the same with your grill. I'll just put it down like that. So that's the grill one there. Okay. So push, turn, push the clicker, and then you got flames. You just hold that one in a wee bit, let it go, and then you can cook your toast. Okay. And then we got your oven down here. So I can, same again, push in, turn, do the wee clicker, and then you got flames. You got to hold it in a wee bit just to let it heat up, and then you're all good to cook your roast chicken. Okay, turn that one off. So you get your spare table in under there. I've shown you the toilet, shower's self-explanatory. Okay, that's how your caravan works. Hope you enjoy.